what I'm noticing as of late, if you look around where the Earth's at, do you see the lighter colors, how far they're stretching out? It's typically not like that, guys. Typically, it's almost even a perfect circle, kind of about like that. Okay? That's what a normal signature pretty much looks like on this tool. So you see how we got hit and we pushed back, right? So, I mean, and that's nothing really too extreme right there, but what I'm looking at here, guys, I was talking to you guys about the density. The white means no density.
I've got a bit more energy.
Look at that. This time lapse is running. Look. Okay? So that low density is here and it's staying. Now, if you remember the video I did the other day, kind of out here in the front, remember we had that really high dense patch that was inside our shield that stayed right there?
Roxy.
Well, you can even see it right here.
Let's make this day count, eh?
Okay. It seems as if the dense material, if you look out here in the front, it's like we got a break. I know it's hard to see with these whites. Do you see that? Okay. It's like it's open in the front a little bit. Now, I'm not saying our shields are open out there. I'm just saying the material, the denser material is kind of cracked open there a little bit. So then we go down here and look at the pressure one, and this is confirming what I was just saying. And this is something else that we don't typically see. Okay, do you see how it's basically a straight line right there? There's nothing out here, no pressure. But yet we got the pressure over here. Very strange. Okay, that's a strange anomaly right there. Even on this, we have, on this part, it's not showing anything out here. Okay, that's, yeah. And I have to say this, guys, low pressure is almost as bad as a lot. Because I've explained that before. You know, it's kind of like a tug of war. If you're pulling one side or the other, right, both of you are pulling at the same strength, and then one side lets go, what happens to the people on the other side of the line? They lunge forward, right? So that pressure is what I'm talking about there. When we get hit with something, solar winds and stuff, we push back, okay? So we push back at a certain pressure, whatever you want to call it, but we're always pushing out a little bit because we got solar wind all the time. It's called ambient winds, okay? And it stays between about 300 to 450 or 500. That's about normal for that, okay? So when we're talking about this, you know, if we're pushing out a little bit all the time and then the pressure releases, we still keep pushing a little bit, right? So in my mind, that can kind of act like cause some of the movement and stuff that's going on here on the Earth. So, but that's just my opinion. Okay, guys, I showed you the radiation yesterday. We're going to look at it again here. I just want to give you guys kind of an update on it. I'm just going to use the toolbar and drag it. Okay, that's what happened yesterday. Okay, that's what I showed you guys